Jack it up.
Hello guys, my name is Chandler. Welcome to Shenzhen U.S. New Energy Technology Company Limited. Our company focuses on the research, development, production, and sales of lithium battery and industrial and commercial energy storage system. The core team members have more than 10 years of technology research and development experience and energy and design experience in the fields of photovoltaics and energy storage. Support OEM and OEM service. Let me show you this high voltage iRack-HVM. The total energy is 215 kilowatt. This is a metal case battery with service life of more than 10 years, road warranty 10 years, and this battery easy wiring and transportation. So this battery with Bluetooth functions. This is a removable shell. Let me show you the function. This one can be protection this battery. This is the main controller. Let me show you open. And this is the display screen, where you can see all the battery data. This battery, the iRack-HVM series has a single battery capacity of 17.92 kilowatt, used from a cluster with a total capacity of 215 kilowatt, and 3 clusters can be connected in a time with a total capacity of 645 kilowatt. This battery can be communicated via Goodway, microwave, or other brand inverter. The battery have wide range of application scenarios: home energy storage system, industrial and commercial energy storage system. We only use brand new grade A battery cells, this one. So if you have any interest, you can be in touch our company. So see you next time.